good evening, konnichiwa, namaste. I'm Chef Kumar from Tokyo, Japan. Today I'm going to prepare a very healthy salad. It's made with avocado, shrimp and mayo with curry flavor. So let's start. Okay, let's start. First we take a half piece of onion and cut into dice. Then 1/4 pima red, clean it properly. And same, cut into dice. Next, we take a cherry tomato. If you don't have a cherry tomato, you can take normal tomato also. 1/4. I take a 5 piece of tomato. Cut in a day. Next, we take avocado. To cut avocado, there is a technique. So first, from the top of the avocado, you have to make a cut and make it same from here to, and then connect here, and then move it like this. Very easy, right? And then make it half, and now peel it. Sometimes avocado is very hard, so when you are going to buy avocado, make sure it must not be hard. If you take a hard avocado, it's very difficult to eat and the flavor is not there. I peel it very carefully. All these. And one more. After peel it, we are going to burn it. Now haze is ready. Now what we can do, we take one pot and mix capsicum, onion and tomato like this. And from now we are going to roast avocado, burn. Before burn, we have to put some oil on it to make it good color like this. First we burn the avocado from one side. Okay, I have a burner. Just make it a little bit color, not too much. You can see, little bit there. Close it from another side. Now you can see it's burned already. We keep it to make it cold. In between time, we marinate the shrimp. For shrimp, I have a mayonnaise. It's like a 50 gram. Put it. There is a curry powder, 3 gram. And white pepper. And salt according to your taste. And now we mix it. Mix it properly, and we can leave it here for. Now I take a chopping board again and cut the avocado in a dice, like we cut all vegetables in. Don't cut very small. If you cut very small, it will be broken and you cannot feel avocado in the vegetable together. So make it a little bit bigger size. This looks very good and yummy. After cut the avocado, we take a same pot and put it here. And now we do the seasoning. Seasoning will be only salt and white pepper. And now mix it very soft. Now we have a marinate shrimp with curry and mayonnaise, and here is a all vegetable we already cut with avocado. Now it's time to do the plating. I take this kind of plate, black. You can take whatever you have at your home. First, I put avocado. Here. See, it looks very healthy and yummy. And next step, we put AB here. And now it's time to make a topping. So you can use any kind of green leaves, but I have a micro leaves. So I'm going to put micro leaves only on AB because it's already green. If we are using here the topping, it's no meaning. So I just put like this, and I have a yellow flowers. So you can just put some lamb flowers here. So here is your healthy avocado AB curry salad is ready. The AB is basically flavor of curry like an Indian style with mayonnaise, light, not very spicy, no oily. And here is all fresh vegetables with avocado. So you can have a good breakfast with this kind of plates. Okay. Thank you very much. See you again.